In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar in this beginner's guide. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool to organize your schedule, manage your appointments, and ensure that you never miss an important event. Whether you're using it on your desktop or through the mobile app, Google Calendar is both versatile and user-friendly. Let's dive into how you can start using it effectively. First things first, we have to get to Google Calendar. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your web browser or by opening the Google Calendar app on your mobile device if you've installed it. Once you're at the main interface, you'll notice a series of dates and times laid out in a grid format. This is your blank canvas for organizing your life. To create a new event, look for the plus create button on the interface. Clicking on it will open a new event form. Here, you'll enter all the essential details for your event. First, provide a meaningful title, something that hints clearly about what the event is all about. This could be anything from doctor's appointment to project meeting. Next, set the date and time for when this event will occur. Be as precise as possible to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Fill in any additional details that are relevant. Use the description box to note down important details like the location, agenda, or any other context you might need in the future. Once you've entered all the basic details of your event, it's time to think about who else needs to be involved. If there are others who need to join you for this meeting or event, you can add them as guests. There's an option within the event creation form to enter email addresses of people you'd like to invite. Adding guests not only sends them an invite, but also provides them with the option to RSVP, so you can keep track of who's attending. After your guests have been added, it's almost time to save your event. Before you do, consider setting notifications or reminders. These can serve as gentle nudges to ensure you're prepared and on time. You can choose to have reminders sent to you minutes, hours, or even days in advance, based on the importance of the event and your personal preferences. Once you're happy with all these settings, go ahead and click Save. Your event will now appear on your calendar, and any guests will receive an invite in their inbox. Having done this, you've taken a great first step into using Google Calendar effectively. And there you have it, your quick start on using Google Calendar. Stick around for more detailed tips and tricks to make the most out of this powerful tool in future videos. Happy scheduling!